It's got an armpit smell to it. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another exciting video and we are back to Scentbox versus Scentbird Showdown. So if you want to know more about Scentbird and Scentbox, then keep on watching. If you love perfumes, I think that's why you're here. Scentbird and Scentbox carries designer perfumes. They're a subscription company and it allows you to try all of these expensive perfumes for a fraction of the price. If you guys can see this right here, here's my collection of Scentbird and Scentbox perfumes. Those are called atomizers. You probably found my channel from another video that I made and I'll link it right here. But basically I compare the pros and cons between Scentbird and Scentbox. And thanks to all of your support, I have gotten a lot of freebies from them because you've signed up under my referral link for either Scentbox or Scentbird. And I know everyone has their own preferences and I'm just here to give you kind of like an unbiased opinion about both brands or both companies. Whenever someone uses my referral, Scentbox or Scentbird sends me another perfume item that's usually in my queue. The Scentbox, I believe, is around $14.95 a month and the Scentbird is $16. I know their prices have gone up. I'll make sure to put their prices right here just to be sure. So basically for a monthly subscription, you get to try a perfume of your choosing, and usually you have a 12-month queue that you get to fill out and you can put all of the perfumes that you want to try. Basically you put in the perfume and then you get an atomizer that contains 14 ml of your perfume and you get that sent to you every month. And so you have all the control. You can pause it if you'd like. Risk-free guarantee. You can also return a scent that you don't like. The main difference between Scentbird and Scentbox is that Scentbox sends you an atomizer with your perfume each month, but Scentbird only sends you the refill bottle but not a brand new atomizer. I think every 6 months or so though you get a brand new atomizer. Otherwise you only get one atomizer and then they keep sending you the refill bottles, and I'll show you what I mean. So I've got 2 freebies this month from Scentbird. I got the Deck of Scarlet Solar Aura fragrance right here. I don't think I've tried the Deck of Scarlet scent before. Ooh, this is new. So this time they have it in this little pouch. I have a new atomizer. Okay, has it been 6 months? Maybe. Honestly, I am not currently subscribed to any of them because I get so many free perfumes from them. So this is Scentbird. They give you an atomizer every couple of months or so. And then for the next consecutive months, they just send you the actual refill bottle with your perfume. So I would replace the old one or previous month's perfume and put the new one in. So I love this. Ooh, this is kind of like a plummy, like a very light lilac shade. I love this atomizer. And I think that's what I love about atomizers because they come in different colors and once you collect them, they look so pretty on your vanity. I love this. Very strong floral scent though. I mean, I love floral scents, but I need a balance. Let's let that sit for a moment. I've got another one from Scentbird, and this one is by Commodity in the scent Paper. This one's kind of scaring me. Yeah, it has amber and musk. So Scentbird actually sent me a sample too of Good Habit Blue Light Protection Jelly Dew Cream. Nice. This is new because they used to not send samples in with their monthly subscription. And again, the bottle is new also. I'm loving this. I think this is more recyclable now. It's recyclable. And see? So for the next consecutive months, they just send you the refill. I think I want to keep this. Comment down below what is your favorite perfume as of this moment. And maybe I can try to put that in my queue so that I can get it next month for a giveaway. Let's try this one. I'm just curious. Let's just go ahead and try it. So this is Commodity Paper. Ooh. No. Okay, I'm gonna let it sit. I'm gonna give it a chance. But just seeing the notes, I don't think I gravitate towards these kinds of notes. It's got an armpit smell to it. Sorry. It is in no way a reflection of Scentbird, guys, as a brand, okay? They're just delivering you the perfumes. And these are authentic perfumes. So here's the packaging. So every couple of months or so, you get this with a new atomizer. So the first atomizer I ever got was a white one. And now we have this very light lilac shade. And then you also have this grayish. Oh, I love the packaging. I have to say, packaging wise, Scentbird has always been really, really good. I have a video of Scentbox versus Scentbird showing you guys some of the other items that they have on their website. So they don't just have designer perfumes, they also have body items and makeup items, but they do carry them every now and then. I think I put this in my queue because I wanted to kind of pause my perfume subscription because I get so much. And again, thank you. Did I say thank you? Thank you so much for using my referral link. So whichever brand you choose to subscribe to, please use the referral link in my description box. That would really, really help me out and just kind of bring more videos to you guys and more scents to try, right? Both brands have over 700 types of designer perfumes that you can choose from. But there is a more premium subscription, which opens it up to a wider variety of perfumes in case you're into that. But so far, I have not been disappointed with the perfume choices. Like, I feel like they have a great variety. So Scentbox also has some body items, and this is what I got. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Look at this. Okay, what is it? It's a fizzy soak bath. Pearl powder rejuvenates skin. Oil enriched blend softens skin, and fizzing formula delights the senses. Oh, my daughter is going to love this. Her and I love to get baths, and I did not know that I picked this. Oh my gosh. So I can't wait. And it's blue and it says mermaid. Okay, I cannot wait to try this, guys. So if you ever get tired of perfumes, or if you feel like, oh, you've had, you know, enough of the perfume so far and you want to take a break, you can switch it up. So for the same monthly subscription, instead of getting a perfume, you can get, you know, a fizzy soap bath kind of thing, or skincare, or any type of mist. Candles, I know they do sell them. So watch this video because I go in detail about what's available from each website or from each brand. I'm so excited that I got this. This is from Scentbox, guys. So with Scentbox, the main difference is that they send you an atomizer each month. So potentially, you know, you're getting more bang for your buck because you get this type of atomizer, and every month is a different color. So that's why I have so many of these. If you can see that right here, I have so many of these atomizers from Scentbox, more so than Scentbird, because they send you one for every perfume that you get. I've had subscribers say that can be very wasteful, and it can be, you know, because you have so many of these containers, and then what do you do when this runs out? You throw everything away, right? But more recently, Scentbox has had a recycling program which allows you to return your empty bottles of atomizers, and they recycle it for you. Hey, I don't mind if Scentbox reuses it. It's good for the environment, right? And I think for me personally, I like getting new color atomizers each month than just getting one. Let me show you a Scentbox. Let's get this bright green one. Okay. So this is what the Scentbox atomizer looks like, in case you are curious. And no, they are not the same size, even though they both contain 14 ml, I think. Even though they both contain the same amount, they're not the same size. So one is, I think, wider and fatter, and one is leaner and taller, if that makes sense. So for Scentbox, you don't have the name of the perfume here. It's actually on the case itself, because the idea is you throw out the whole entire case when you're done instead of reusing it. So with Scentbird, you do get the name on the actual perfume bottle itself. I do have to say that because you're reusing the atomizer, this container right here, sometimes, I've never had it happen to me personally, but I've had some subscribers mention that the scent does transfer into the bottle, so the atomizer itself. So you know, that can be a problem if you like trying different scents, but if you only want to stick to one type of scent, then it's really not a problem. But if you like different colors every month, you want to be surprised and see what you get every month, and they always have something new. I don't think I've seen Scentbox repeat any type of color so far. I mean, they always have different types of shades, either a lighter shade of pink, hot pink, whatever. I do love that Scentbird has a card about the perfume that you ordered. So it has all of the description, the notes, and all of the ingredients that go into the perfume. So I love that. The only thing with Scentbox is they do have a card, but it's more for like future months or perfumes that they want to feature, and it's not really about the perfume that you ordered. That can be an inconvenience if that's your thing. Like me too, I want to know what I ordered, the notes, the scents, and all of that. But there's always a trade-off, guys. So that is everything. That is everything, guys, about Scentbird and Scentbox. If I'm forgetting any details, I have so many other videos about Scentbox versus Scentbird, and each of them have a slightly different information about each of the brands, pros and cons. So definitely check them out. If you have a burning question that you want to ask about either of the brands, comment it down below and I'll try to answer them for you. That is everything, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you're planning to subscribe to either Scentbox or Scentbird. Comment it down below. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.